How to select a strong trademark with secondary meaning. Are you curious about how to choose a strong trademark that can gain secondary meaning? This is a vital aspect of trademark law that can significantly impact your brand. Let's break it down step by step. First, it's essential to understand the spectrum of distinctiveness in trademarks. There are four main categories. Generic marks are common names for products and cannot be protected. Descriptive marks describe a feature of the product and are generally not protectable unless they gain secondary meaning. Suggestive marks imply qualities and are inherently distinctive, making them protectable. Finally, arbitrary or fanciful marks are the strongest and completely unrelated to the product. Now, secondary meaning is crucial for descriptive marks. This is when a mark that is not inherently distinctive becomes recognized by consumers as identifying a specific source of goods or services. To select a strong trademark with secondary meaning, focus on marks that can become uniquely associated with your brand through consistent use. There are key factors to consider. First, use your mark in commerce extensively and exclusively. This means that the more you use it in connection with your goods or services, the more recognition it will gain. Next, think about consumer association. You want the public to identify your mark not just as descriptive but as a source identifier for your brand. This is how secondary meaning develops. Advertising and promotion play a significant role too. Invest in marketing to raise awareness of your mark. The volume and reach of your advertising can help demonstrate that your mark has acquired distinctiveness. Duration of use is another important factor. Secondary meaning typically develops over time. The longer you use the mark consistently, the stronger your claim to secondary meaning becomes. You should also gather evidence of recognition. Consumer surveys, sales figures, and media mentions can show that consumers associate your mark with your brand. This evidence can be crucial when establishing secondary meaning. Avoid using generic terms, as they cannot be protected as trademarks, even with secondary meaning. Ensure your mark is at least descriptive and capable of acquiring distinctiveness. When applying for trademark registration, if your mark is descriptive, explicitly claim acquired distinctiveness under the relevant trademark laws. Be ready to provide evidence proving this status. In practice, selecting a strong trademark with secondary meaning means choosing a mark that may describe your product but can be shown through use and consumer recognition to uniquely identify your brand. This allows you to obtain trademark protection despite the mark's initial descriptiveness. From a trademark law perspective, secondary meaning transforms an otherwise weak mark into a protectable asset by linking it in the public's mind to a single commercial source. This protection grants you exclusive rights to use the mark in commerce, preventing others from using similar marks. To summarize, prioritize marks that can acquire distinctiveness through use, can be effectively promoted, have the potential to build consumer recognition over time, and are not generic but descriptive or suggestive enough to qualify for secondary meaning. By following these guidelines, you can successfully select a strong trademark with secondary meaning.